enchanting rustic-style home, where timeless charm and natural beauty come together in perfect harmony. From the street, the house greets you with a charming, inviting facade. Constructed from weathered stone and reclaimed wood, the exterior exudes authenticity. The pitched roof, covered in wooden shingles, is supported by exposed beams that add to the traditional feel. A cozy front porch, adorned with wooden rocking chairs, invites you to pause and take in the beauty of the surrounding landscape. As you move closer, the front of the house showcases a large, solid wood door, accented with rustic iron hardware. Flanking the entrance are large windows with wooden shutters, painted in muted earth tones. Above, a gabled roofline adds character, drawing your eye to the inviting warmth within. Step into the backyard, and you'll find a serene garden retreat, perfectly blending with the natural surroundings. A large covered patio extends from the house, complete with a rustic wooden dining table and a stone fireplace, ideal for outdoor gatherings. Stone paths wind through the lush greenery, leading to a tranquil pond. Wooden trellises covered in climbing plants add a romantic touch, while a swing gently sways between two trees, offering a peaceful spot to relax. As you enter the home, the entrance hall immediately envelops you in warmth and rustic charm. The floor, made of wide, reclaimed wooden planks, bears the marks of time, while exposed beams stretch across the ceiling. A wooden bench, a large mirror with a distressed frame, and a coat rack made from antlers or iron hooks complete this welcoming space. The living room is the heart of the home, where rustic comfort takes center stage. A large stone fireplace with a heavy wooden mantel draws you in. Overstuffed sofas, draped with plaid and knitted throws, invite you to sit and stay a while. The natural light streams in through large windows, enhancing the cozy, lived-in atmosphere. The kitchen is a warm, functional space where tradition meets practicality. Solid wood cabinets with a distressed finish, a large farmhouse sink, and a central wooden table create a space that feels both timeless and inviting. Open shelves display an array of ceramic dishes and copper pots, adding to the kitchen's rustic charm. In the bathroom, luxury and nature come together. A clawfoot bathtub, set against wooden or stone walls, invites you to unwind. The sink, set into a wooden vanity, features a stone or copper basin, complemented by aged bronze fixtures. Soft lighting and natural decor complete the tranquil, spa-like atmosphere. The bedroom is a peaceful retreat, designed for rest and relaxation. A wooden or wrought iron bed, covered in soft linens and quilts, takes center stage. The room's earthy tones, wooden paneling, and simple decor create a serene environment, perfect for a restful night's sleep. Finally, the dining room is a space for gathering where rustic elegance shines. A large wooden table surrounded by mismatched chairs sets the stage for memorable meals with family and friends. The warm glow of a rustic chandelier illuminates the room, while large windows bathe the space in natural light. This rustic-style home is more than just a house. It's a sanctuary where timeless design and natural beauty create a warm, welcoming environment. Whether you're entertaining guests or simply enjoying the quiet moments, every corner of this home invites you to slow down and savor the simple pleasures of life.